How's it going, everybody? Tyler Schwartz here, and welcome back to the channel where we talk all things Irish dancing, from beginners all the way to advanced stuff. Today it's a little bit more beginners. We're talking about sevens and what that trick is. It's essentially a whole bunch of step-ins, and we'll go through it and how to add that to various types of music, maybe reels and jigs. We'll go from there. It's essentially step-ins though. So if we have our right foot in front and our left foot in back, and we take a step to the side and then bring our left foot right behind again, that's our step in. So essentially, I'm speaking it this way. So that's a step and that's in. In meaning we tuck that right behind our back or our front foot. Now, if we'd started with a jump, 2, 3, if our jump was our 1, so we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's what we would call a 7, okay? Let's try that all together again, right? Maybe we'll do the facing the back, yeah? So we do our straight jump, ready, 2, 3, and jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's our 7 right there. And there's a few different ways we can enter into a 7. A jump is one version of that. Whatever our first movement is, that counts as our 1, essentially. That landing is our 1. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we can rephrase, instead of saying 1, we can say jump, or leap, or cut, or knee. All right, so here's our 1, ready? Jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We could also do a cut. Now we know what a cut is, our right foot in front, left foot in back. We keep our knee in front of our other knee and we swing it up to our hip. And we can start that, a jumping cut. We can go cut, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's another way we can do that type of trick, a 7. Cut, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We could also do a knee. We bring up to a knee. Again, that landing from the back foot, knee, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's another way we can do, introduce a 7 to our dancing. Let's try this to music. Let's try jigs to start. And just straight jumps to understand what we're talking about today. And 7, 2, 3, and here we go. Jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump, 2, 3, 4, 5. See how it fits? So you can basically fit 4 of those into one full step. It's 2 bars worth of music. Ready? 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3. Jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm out of space. But you can certainly understand that now. You can also go in the other direction and whatnot. There's many different ways to do that. But also, we can apply this to basically any sense, most types of music. Let's try a reel. Ready? 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, second turn, jump, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But that's essentially a good introduction into what 7s are and what their capabilities are and yeah, best ways to use them. Definitely let me know if you'd like to explore this further into more ways to use 7s, but yeah, hope you got something out of this video. If you did, please hit like on the video. I really appreciate that. It helps get this video out to more people with the algorithm stuff. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already. I will be posting videos weekly, tutorial videos, tricks videos like this. So if that's something you're interested in, definitely consider subscribing. I hope this was fun. I sure had fun too. And yeah, I'll see you all in the next video. Happy dancing and take care.